Yeah, today marks the end of an era, and, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's actually about the fact that, Sony, has, has just announced that they will be, ending production of Blu-rays, mini discs, and mini DV cassette tapes. I think Blu-rays are going to be the most devastating for the gaming industry, personally. Between the PlayStation 3 era, which was almost 20 years ago, and now, Sony was the one who helped propel Blu-ray to the mainstream. And they also tried to push 4K Blu-rays as well, but it was not as successful as people would have hoped. But what does this mean for the gaming industry? Physical media is on its way out, and it's not a good thing, honestly, because with digital games and to a further extent, streaming services, you don't own the content. They can pull the content at any time, and they expect you to be happy or something until they take your favorite movie off the streaming service, or favorite TV show off the streaming service. This has really big implications too, because there are people who want to like start a new backup plan or something, because recently I lost 10 terabytes worth of data due to a failing hard drive. When I was only 5 years old, I saw ads for Blu-rays or something. I thought it was the next big thing when it comes to like optical media, the next revolution in like movies and all that stuff. But it could also be used to store PlayStation 3 games, so yeah, it's pretty sad. However, this reflects a broader trend in the gaming industry. Like, you know how the Switch 2 has like a built-in game card slot, while the PS5 Pro doesn't even come with a disc drive? It seems like it's almost part of the plan or something. Now, they also said that they will also stop production of mini discs, which were not really popular in the States, but they were popular in Europe and Japan, because Toshiba's standard for data storage, which was called Secure Digital, or SD cards. In fact, the Nintendo Switch uses SD cards because those are cheap to manufacture, they have really high capacity, and they don't rely on moving parts. You just need an SD card slot and you're good to go.